In this tutorial, you will learn how to create a Maya project and how to build a scene by creating primitive shapes and adding materials. You will create a 3D model of Earth and add material with a texture map to it. We'll use this model later to create a game in Unity. Let's create a new project in Maya. Open the project window from the File menu on the top navigation bar. Select New and name your project. Click on the folder icon, select where to save the files, and save the project. Maya is now open in your project. Maya files are called scenes. Let's name and save this scene. Go to File, Save As, give a name to the scene, accept the default file type, Maya Binary, and hit Save As. Let's look at the desktop. Inside the new project, Maya created several folders to keep all project files organized. The new file is saved in the Scenes folder. Now let's build our scene. In the viewport, in the middle of the Maya interface, we can see the scene we are building. There are many ways to create 3D shapes in Maya, all of which are accessible from the top navigation menu bar. We shall use polygons. Go to Create Polygon Primitives and select Sphere. Then drag the mouse to draw the sphere in the viewport. The sphere is now part of our 3D scene. To see the 3D model from a different angle, use the View cube in the top right corner of the viewport. You can also use the Tumble, Track, and Dolly tools from the navigation bar above the viewport to adjust the view. To move an object, select it and activate the Move tool using the icon on the left vertical toolbar. To move an object along an axis, select the axis handle and drag the mouse. To move it in all directions, use the cube in the middle of the tool. Similarly, you can use the Rotate tool to rotate the object, or the Scale tool to scale it. To switch between Move, Rotate, and Scale in the viewport, you can also use the W, E, and R keys. We can shape and position an object more precisely in the channel box on the right. In the channel box, we simply type the exact values we want for all attributes. Let's name the new sphere Earth and define the radius and number of subdivisions. Maya allows great flexibility in creating shapes with different resolutions, as necessary for animations or games. This resolution will make the Earth model look good in the Unity game later. To create the Earth model, we need to create and apply a shader, which we do in the Hypershade editor. Go to Window, Rendering Editors, and select Hypershade. Maya has many types of materials, but the most commonly used are Blinn, Lambert, and Phong. Lambert is a good type for a texture map. Create a new Lambert material. Double-click on it to open the Attribute Editor. In the Attribute Editor, rename the new material. To create the Earth model, we need a map of the Earth's surface in a cylindrical coordinate projection. We use a royalty-free physical map of Earth under a Creative Commons license. In the Attribute Editor, click on the icon to the right of the color box and select File from the list in the Create Render Node window. Then click on the folder icon next to Image Name. A Finder window opens in the Source Images folder. On the desktop, the map image is saved in the Source Images folder of the Maya project. Select the Earth map image and hit Open. See how the material changes to incorporate the Earth texture map as its source. To apply the Earth map to the sphere, select the sphere in the viewport, right-click on it, choose Apply Existing Material, and select the new Earth map material. Make sure the shading is set to Smooth Shade All. If the map is hidden, click on the textured icon above the viewport to show it. You can also switch the texture on and off using the 5 and 6 keys. Here is our Earth model, ready to use for games or animations. Make sure you save the scene before you exit Maya.